Hello and good afternoon, Miss Sharron. My name is Jacob, and I am the director for 5-Minute Implants. I just wanted to take a couple of minutes to show you exactly what we can do with the technology that we use at 5-Minute Implants. The first thing that I want to point out, which is extremely important, is the fact that all 4 of these implants for the top denture are nearly perfectly parallel with one another. What I am looking at are these 4 lines for each individual implant. You can see that they are all within 2 degrees of being perfectly parallel. Before I finalize the planning, I will go through and make some very minor changes, but you can see in this video that we are already very close to that point of perfection. The reason that this is so important is because when you have a denture that is going to snap into implants, all 4 of these snaps have to engage simultaneously, so the implants all have to be parallel with one another for this to happen. The next thing I will show you, starting from the top right, which is of equal importance, is to see that we have enough bone. With the surgical guides that we create here at 5-Minute Implants, we will have adequate bone to place very healthy-sized implants in the back. Each one of these should take 5 minutes or less. Now on to the top left, a very similar situation. What I am looking for is if the width of bone that you have, and then of course the height, and also the quality of bone, are adequate. And everything looks healthy here as well, to safely and easily place very decent size implants in the back to support chewing. And in the front, we have ample space to do slightly longer yet narrower implants. These will also offer excellent support. All 4 of these implants will surpass the minimum size requirements for a snap-in denture, and they should offer you lifelong support as well as comfort and retention for your denture. The last thing I will show you is the scan that we did in the room with the wand. It creates this image, and that shows me a topographical view of the mouth, and this is the image that I will use to finalize your surgical guide design, which we will then proceed to 3D print in-house. I would like to emphasize that once you are numb, each one of these 4 implants should take no more than 5 minutes to do. Once we are done, you should be able to go about your day as normal. After the implants have healed for 3 months, we will then be able to snap your denture onto these 4 implants. Again, I would like to thank you for your time, and should you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me anytime. Thank you for visiting 5-Minute Implants.